body length, and it's so the tilapia is the for the concussion.
Thank you for all speakers. We have completed all the presentation session, and I believe you have some question or unverified information. So I open the question and answer session. Before the question, please inform your name and the origin of the institute, and also to which speaker that your question will be directed. I open this for 3
In
questions.
this opportunity, I would like to ask something from for Dr. Dina. That she said that Linxon is ultra polygotropic, has been very poor in nutrition. But on the other side, they have high diversity, not only fish but plant and any animals. Dr. Dina, could you please to explain why in the very poor ecosystem, but they have high diversity? And the second for the tin mining, that the Menduk River, the presenter stated Menduk River has higher pollution index or still polluted water.
The second question addressed to Dr. Dina. I think you talked about aquatic insect. So this is my curiosity just to know how important this insect aquatic for the freshwater ecosystem. Thank you very much.
I expect from Professor Murabas, but because at the guidebook, maybe this time I will present about aquatic insect, but we change the type, we change the pattern, and for aquatic insect, I will not present for this time. But the answer for the Professor Murabas question, I comment with Dr. Karin Gafar. The question is about ultra-oligotrophic is very poor nutrition, but I said that high diversity at the Lebak Deling swamp. I think because of the water of Lebak Deling is much filtered from plants, and it will provide organic matter which become natural food for insects, for shrimp and fish, and through complex food chain in natural swamp, it will provide food for bigger fish. And also I think aquatic plants also provide shelter and substrate for small fish, and it will
Thank you for my question. I have to answer the question. Why the Menduk River, although higher based on the index pollution, but found 21 species
10 families. In this study, I analyzed the water quality used by PI of Poor Person Index. I choose these categories. Class 1. Class 1 is standard water for drinking. This is and Menu River. The class 1 is polluted. Although in this habitat is still found many species of fish.
On May 2011, there is an accident that the mass mortality of fish because of leaking of sulfur from the moon activity, and because the Batu Lake is a tectonic lake and there is no outlet. So when the accident, the mass mortality of fish most from the cage culture, not from the wild.
Okay, thank you. I think it's already clear that the event only happen occasionally because of the leaking sulfur. Okay, it is interesting discussion. However, we are limited by the time. If you still have unclarified question or information, please ask directly to the speaker in the coffee session. Before we close this session, please give applause to all the speakers. Thank you for your attention.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Miss Naini. I represent Mr. Melki because go to study in UGM. No, I'm presenting my part research. The title Ecology and Structure of Mangrove Ecosystem in Musi Estuaria Water and Banyuasin Estuaria Water, Provinsi of South Sumatra. Okay. Introduction. The mangrove environment has some special physicochemical characteristic of salinity, tidal current, winds, high temperature, and muddy and aerobic soil. Plants of the environment are able to adapt themselves to practical altitude of adverse conditions expected perhaps frost, and hence they are distributed mostly in the tropical. The output could be used for area description, better strategy and approach in order to mitigate the existing problem concerning mangrove forest, especially in the South Sumatra area. Methodology. The research was conducted in June to July 2014 in the area of Musi Estuaria Water and Banyuasin Estuaria Water. There are 7 sets. There are 7 sets. Musi Estuaria Water set 4 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Banyuasin Estuaria Water 3 set, 5, 6, 7.
Tilapia bag dominant because every year in Lake Kerinci any introduce tilapia in every year in Lake Kerinci. So because the position of tilapia is the most dominant.
Here, if anybody still would like to continue the discussion, please continue within the coffee session. So please give applause to all the speakers.
PPT at set 2 of mangrove Avicennia marina, Avicennia alba, and Nympha frutica to 28 PPT at set 7 of mangrove Abyssinia aba. There are different soil characteristics of mangrove soil promote influence of soil temperature, pH, and salinity. They are restricted to the soil having low salinity. Thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This time I will presentation about biological aspect of endemic fish Rasbora tawarensis in Laut Tawar Lake, Aceh Province. Introduction. The pig, the local name of Rasbora tawarensis, is an endemic freshwater fish in Lake Laut Tawar, Aceh Province, Indonesia. Unfortunately, its status is regarded as critical endangered, with population decreasing in recent years. Current information on biological aspect this fish are sex ratio, gonad maturity level, gonad somatic index, fecundity, egg diameter, and gender dimorphism in the range of 6.6 to gender dimorphism, female and male Conclusion. Sex ratio female and male of the pig imbalance, and the sustainability of the pig population the long run is still good. The pig growth was allometric negative. The third, fecundity of the pig 1 until 4 million eggs with diameter in the range of 0.58 until 1.48 millimeter, dominated by maturity age in gonad maturity index of 4 and 5 in both sampling time, indicating a multi-spawner.
Okay. Thank you for the moderator to give me the time. Okay. I want to present my presentation. My presentation is about distribution and abundance of Ethioplankton in Indragiri River Estuary Riau. Although Tuhanan Riau Landari, Rupawan, Herlan, and Arif Hukmanan Rais. Introduction. Indragiri River Estuary has an ecological function as a place to reproduce and grow up. In addition, estuary is also a habitat for many species of biota aquatics as a shelter and a place to find food. This Indragiri River Estuary acts as a shelter, feeding ground, nursery ground, and the breeding of various species of fish. According on Dara, 1996 states the distribution of geographic information and habits of a species of fish found very helpful study of Ethioplankton in the region, so as to provide information about the expected Ethioplankton species can be found at a particular time of year. However, research related to the ecology of Ethioplankton in the River Estuary Riau is still limited. For example, the abundant almond. Thanks to the moderator who has given me time for my people, entitled Infosoria Evidence of Media Vegetable and Spinach, author by Nina Dulastina, Husna, and Muhammad Alif. Infosoria farnesium is one that often found. Therefore, this study try looking alternative media, other vegetable that are expected to find domina other species Infosoria besides farnesium. The magnification of 400 times set refractor, pH-meter, thermometer, and diometer. The material used is 4% formaldehyde, water, culture media vegetable and spinach. The period of peak density Infosoria unknown and can be see period harvest Infosoria. Infosoria is a natural food, so this is useful information for
the availability of the speed of the result from the media car and spinach. Then the media car has the high density and period effect of hard imposteria faster and longer. Conclusion: based on the research that has been done, it can be done as conclusion as flow one.
Of the research has proposed for analysis of fish biodiversity in Upang, Musi, Banyuasin, estuary of South Sumatra for management with water materials. Next. Okay, this is the sampling and method that was we done. The research has been done on March, June, August, and October 2013. And the location samples are Upang River, Musi River, and Banyuasin estuary of South Sumatra. We have 12 sampling points. You can look at the picture. And then the fish sampling is used mini trough with a 14 meters long, 7 meters long of wrist rope, and then 0.5 until 1.5 inch of the measures. The fishing result was grouped by species and caught each of individual measure of on land and weight on ground. All of the sample was preserved with 10% formalin for identification in Research Institute of Inland Fisheries Laboratory.
You research about Rasbora towering fish. Okay. I think amount of the egg is not so much. You said that amount of the eggs in one piece 1 till 4 million eggs. I'm not sure. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
1 sampai 4 juta per ekor. I'm not sure. You can correct it. There is the and the two. I ask you about the egg diameter. Ready coba dilihatin grafik diameter telur.
So maybe I want to try with bahasa Bu Sarifah. I'm so sorry because I'm afraid different interpretation. So that's why I want to ask. I want to answer with bahasa. Bu Sarifah, yang pertama, kalau saya tidak salah, pernyataan Ibu Sarifah tidak yakin kalau jumlah telurnya itu pada kisaran 1 sampai 4 juta rata-rata Ibu ya? Iya, per ekor. Ya. Nah, yang kedua adalah bahwa Ibu Sarifah juga tidak yakin kalau ikan itu sifat pola pemeliharannya adalah multi spawner. Ini sekedar masukan buat saya, tapi saya akan mencoba untuk menjawab kenapa hasil saya seperti dari FND tahun 1967 di mana F sama dengan fekunditas sama dengan berat gonad dibagi dengan gonad contoh yang kita gunakan untuk dihitung dikali dengan jumlah telur tiap gonad contoh. Nah,
I will close this session, but before I close this session, please give the applause for our presenter. Thank you very much for your attention. Muhammad Ali from Research Institute for Inland Fisheries. He will talk about the composition and abundance of ichthyoplankton. The second speaker will be Seti Savitri, Research Institute for Inland Fisheries. She will inform us about the composition and diversity of the Philippine zone in Indonesia area. The third speaker, the areas of the area rainwater belongs to land. The water tension was big and
The keep water for moment because often what needed for irrigation. The main data and the environmental component, geophysics, chemistry of the water. Concrete, the function, the temperature, the thickness, the SS, the pH, DO, nitrate, nitrat, ammonia, and total of the phosphorus as the supporting data. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, moderator. Today I would like to present about my paper, Community of Evidence in Industrial Area Mariana, South Sumatra. As we know that Evidence is a complex matrix of algae that attach to submerged substrate in almost all aquatic ecosystems. It serves as an important food source for invertebrates and zombies. It also can be important indicator of water quality. Hydrology control the parasitic productivity and composition. Nutrients like phosphorus control of production and community composition. Because parasitic communities are well established to be related to hydrology and water quality. An indicator was developed based on different attributes, evidence, quality, and community composition. Florida and Shalita were the high that